Sustainable building design features to your cafe. To add solar panels, use your guides to draw some measurements onto the roof. Panels. What I've done is I've got one example one here, and I want to have 2 rows of exactly the same solar panels. So all you need to do is pull in a whole lot of guides to make sure that everything is nicely and evenly spaced. Draw a rectangle in each section. Then go through and make them all the same height. Now we're going to use the offset button. And offset them all exactly the same. I'm going 100 mil. Now I'm pushing down the center by 50 mil to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Going to colors. I'm going to fill the center with a black, dark grey. A vertical garden, you could grab one from the warehouse like this, which looks pretty amazing, or you could have a go of drawing one yourself simply by drawing a rectangle onto a wall. Making the rectangle wood grain. Using the offset tool to create a border, giving that border some depth. Adding a black colour into the centre. Giving that some depth. And now let's try to add some plants to that. If you really want to, it's a really simple way to do it is to go to textures, go down to landscaping, and just applying a grass texture. There you have a really simple vertical garden. It's not as beautiful as this one here, but it does, I guess, symbolise what you're after, and it will take up a lot less memory. If you would like to add a water tank, depending on what shape you're after, you can just draw a circle on the ground where you want your water tank to go, making sure that it is in the correct space. Like all these things, you can use the measuring tool to really help get things looking accurate. I'm just going to eye it here. You can change the texture to a water tank texture, which could be metal, something that looks like a water tank. We go down to metal. I'll just make it colour blonde. Drag it up. Now there are ways to curve off the top. I'm not too fast. You could just use the offset tool to make like a little extra little bit sticking up. you could add a pipe into the house if you like.